Howdy, my name is Kate Oliver, and I decided to do my picture in Ecologist project on Alex Harmon-Threatt. Who is she? Well, she is a pollination ecologist focusing on pollinators and their effects on conservation and invasive plants. She focuses a lot on native bees, and she's a proponent that we should spend less time studying honeybees and more time studying native bees, because they matter a whole lot more to our ecology. So she got her undergraduate in Washington University. Originally, she was pre-med, and then she kind of fell in love with ecology after kind of on a whim joining a research study, which I personally relate to because I did a similar thing last semester. She got her PhD in 2011 from the University of California in Berkeley, and she is currently an associate professor of entomology in Illinois. So she's done a lot of research and had a lot of contributions to ecology. She's published a whole lot of studies. They can be found in some of the websites I linked in my sources at the end of this presentation. But her studies include topics on insect conservation and diversity, bee functional traits and their relationship to pollination services depending on many factors, and bee movement between natural fragments. I selected this ecologist because she is a red-ass woman in STEM. She is a person of color in STEM, and I just think it's really cool to see other minorities in STEM fields. Makes me feel better about going into engineering. As a queer woman in engineering, most of my engineering classes have been 95% guys, and it can be kind of isolating. Alex has written and spoken about how much inclusivity and diversity in academia, starting as young as elementary school, is really important to get new voices and new opinions and people who haven't historically had access to STEM fields, into STEM fields. So I think she's pretty great. And here are my sources if you would like to go do a little bit more research on her, because she's cool. Thanks, and gig 'em, eggs.